Alright, subscribers and notification gang, welcome back to the channel. I'm your host Ty with MMT Pros, and this video is about how to fix your RugDoctor after it loses suction. I actually cracked the tip of my RugDoctor when I was out working, and of course had a temper tantrum and I had to replace it. So stay tuned and we're about to jump right into it. Let's get it. And if you're not a subscriber, please go ahead and take the time out and hit that subscribe button. Definitely hit the bell icon to be notified when we drop new videos. There are a lot of people out there that have RugDoctors that have lost suction. This is how you repair your RugDoctor step by step. Stay tuned. There are a lot of screws in the bottom of this machine, so definitely make sure you remove all the screws. I did forget to take one screw out and actually broke one off in it, so stay tuned. Alright, we know we have to replace power, water, and suction. Suction is on the left, water is on the right, and power is in the middle. Stay tuned, we're about to jump right into it. Let's get it. And if you like this type of content, why not subscribe? Alright, now that we have removed all the broken parts, let's go ahead and put the new parts in. tried to reinstall the plug, but it was actually upside down, so I had to turn it around and it went right in. Stay tuned, we almost done. And just like that, let's put this bad boy back together and let's see how it works. Alright, all you have to do is follow these steps and you won't have to throw your RugDoctor away. Simple, easy task. Stay tuned. Alright, do you think you can handle this project at home on your own? Let me know in the comments. I know the video is going to be kind of long, but I made it this way so you can repair your own RugDoctor at home. This is the step-by-step how to replace the hose attachment. Stay tuned, we're almost done. Let's get it. Alright, I'm about to show you that it does have suction as well as the motors are running. I didn't have any water to show that it would squirt water, but we're gonna drop another video in the next couple of days to show us extracting some carpet. But stay tuned. But this is exactly how to repair your RugDoctor. And with that, I'm out. Peace. I'll see you on the next one.